Hi there, Silver Young Solo Traveler. This is Aya. So today we will be talking about dresses. We are in the fall season. There are 9 dresses for traveler. People who love to travel. They are beautiful. Some of them are affordable and some not, as usual. So 9 best fall dresses for traveler. Versatile, comfortable, and easy to pack. You will want to add these fall dresses to your packing list immediately. Lehota Haley dress in confetti dot. Lehota is a New York-based woman-led company that creates the most travel-friendly dresses. Number 2, Osely swing dress. Tired of fall dresses that don't have pocket? Osely swing dresses pockets are designed to be no bulge, so the dress won't make you look bulky even if you are carrying a lot. Misguided blush half zip sweater dress. This ultra cozy sweater dress is made for fall travel days. Pair it with some fleece lined legging on your next long haul flight and you will feel almost as comfortable as you would lounging on the couch at home. Shanty cotton knit midi dress. Always have to tailor your fall dresses to get the right length. Skip that step by ordering shanty cotton knit midi dress, which is made to order so you can customize it to your size and height. Good thread flannel dress shirt dress. So good thread flannel shirt dress. Flannel just scream fall, and wearing it in dress from up the style cushion. Good thread flannel shirt dress is made from super soft 100% cotton that just might make it your new favorite fall dress. Fleece sweatshirt hoodie dress, available in every color of the rainbow. This hoodie dress is lined with fleece to keep you warm or even the coldest fall day. Tailor plus size V-neck maxi dress. Add a little vintage flair to your wardrobe this season with a Tailor plus size V-neck maxi dress. Leota T-shirt dress. Pair Leota T-shirt dress with sneaker during the day for a casual look, and with tie and heel once the sun goes down for a warmer nighttime outfit. This versatile fall dress is comfortable, stylish, and wrinkle-free. Prana Milani Henley dress. The Prana Milani Henley dress is another must-have for fashion and comfort. The silhouette is oversized without being overwhelming, and the sustainable waffle knit fabric brings all the style and comfort of your favorite Henley shirt. So here you have it. Please let me know below which one you like and which one you prefer to have for this fall. Again, thank you for watching. This is Aya. Bye bye and be safe.